Hey there, it's Louisa Zakis from RP Nutrition. We are on day 23 of detox, and you are wondering what we're eating for lunch today. What are we having for lunch today, Stacy?
We are having Zoodles.
Yes, yum, Zoodles. Almost like spaghetti, just not quite. And it's what I like about it. It's al dente. Like spaghetti's always better al dente, according to Italians. So it's going to be al dente spaghetti. No need to cook anything. So what do we do, Stace? What do you got?
Well, we have some tomatoes here. We can start out with that. This is going to be what goes on top of our Zoodles.
Non-GMO, don't forget.
Non-GMO.
Right.
So you're going to dice them to whatever your liking is. Those will be for afterwards. Then you're going to take your handy dandy, what do you call this thing?
Veggetti.
I think it's like $10 at Giant or something like that.
Pretty cheap.
So you take your zucchini, and it has two settings. So it has fettuccine, which is thicker, and then like a thin spaghetti. And you do the thicker end, and you just stick it in there and twirl it, and it literally makes like spaghetti. It's so good.
If you don't have a lot of time for lunch, I mean, look how fast this is.
It is pretty fast. So, I mean, you're not going to eat a whole zucchini, so you could do like a half a zucchini would be fine. So you just do it until you get the amount that you like. We'll just go with that for now since we're doing a video, right?
Right.
And then we have some, you want to boil your organic marinara because you're not going to actually cook your zucchini because it gets too mushy. So you're actually going to boil your marinara, and when you put the marinara on top boiling, it kind of makes the zucchini al dente.
Plate warm.
Yeah, and it makes the plate warm.
Okay.
So you put that on top.
Looks pretty.
Looks pretty. And then we can go ahead and put our tomatoes on there.
Cool.
So you put your tomatoes, and then we've got some fresh basil. Well, this is dried basil. We like to use fresh basil, but today we're using some dried basil. And then we also have some olives. So you can use some organic green olives and put those on there, stuffed with garlic, and there you go. You have your fresh Zoodles, and it's really yummy.
Again, look at it. It took like 1 minute to make those Zoodles.
Yeah, it doesn't take long at all to make, so.
Cool. And you get all your greens in there. You
Yeah.
get your fresh tomatoes. So
Yes.
Thanks. Awesome. Thanks for lunch, Stace. Can't wait.
It's gonna be yummy.